Got my assortment of keys. Go out, do some shuffling. The Ram Daytona back there, I have to take that out to the body shop later today. So I'm going to put my Yukon elsewhere, move that 67 Fury, and get the Ram out of the hole. I believe these are the keys for the Fury. And then the Fury got loaded back up into the driveway just to get dug out again tomorrow. Did some recent work to it. Should start right up. In Daytona, sending this out to the body shop. I'll be driving that up there later tonight. Get the wing installed. The Daytona is actually a really nice truck. It's really clean. Let's hope it starts. Haha, no dead batteries for me today. No ram rot. Tailgate's got a few little dings and dents in it. Back here, we've got the wing that it's missing, which is why it's going up to the body shop. The wing has to get painted and installed. I just love the sound of fucking keys all fucking day. Move this across the road. Just gonna borrow your driveway. Come on, baby. The struggle of having many cars and little space to put them. I have a lot of stuff actually, mostly not even at the house. Fury's actually a pretty nice car. It does need some work. I'm on the fence about keeping this and restoring it. But again, I just don't know what the fuck to do with it. Pull it right up across the street. Purrs like a kitten. A kitten that loves to burn a lot of oil. Cats love oil. All right. Not bad. Yeah, the Daytona is a really nice truck. I really like it. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to end up just selling it for a couple reasons. One, I need money. And two is this is a really nice truck. It really is. It's really clean. It's kind of rare. And I can't in my good conscience drive this thing every day into Manhattan, towing trailers and loading crap into it. I'd rather let somebody else destroy it. This truck's very rarely been driven since I've owned it. I think I bought this truck about 4 months ago, and it was last on the road when I drove it home. And we get it, my seatbelt's not on. Shut the fuck up. Back this little girl into the driveway. It does need a decent amount of work. Nothing too serious. Biggest thing I can think of is the O2 sensors. It does need O2 sensors. and the seat needs to get upholstered. Truck actually looks pretty decent considering I haven't washed it since I bought it. But that's okay. That's alright. Alright. Be the first time a truck's been out on the road in months. Runs pretty strong. I have to stop and get some fuel for it. That's off the windshield. We're up there. Let's roll. This thing's running good today. Fuck. There we go. Off to the body shop.